and welcome to Hyperyx. In this tutorial, we will show you how you can automate your code using Hyperyx Bolt. Let's get started. Subscribe or sign in using your credentials. You will get 2 demo pipelines out of the box. Check out the demo pipelines. First, we need to define code that we would like to automate. For this example, we have defined a books controller. So, let's take a look on the Mustache template we have created for a controller. We are using variables in this template, which enables us to apply this code for a different business use case. Also, in this example, we have created sections. This way, the code can be tailored to your needs. Let's take a look at the data cube we have created that can be used with this Mustache template. The data cube contains data related to your business use cases. You can use this to render the same Mustache template differently. In this data cube, we have defined data for several templates that define together a feature. Let's take a look at a Fluent function that we can use to create this controller. Here, we can see how the Fluent function is used to render the contents of your code using the template and data cube. In this Fluent function, we are creating a controller, model, and service all together. Now, let's bring this all together. We have created a pipeline to demonstrate this. In this pipeline, we can now render our books controller using the build feature Fluent function and the consoto.fabricam.web.feature.book data cube. Now, let's take a look at the final result. We have automated the controller, model, and service for our books feature. At the same time, we are using the exact same code for a different business use case. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.